sometimes at the end of a pizza party, we may have some dough left over and we'll make a dessert pizza. So today we're gonna do one with apples. We're gonna peel the apples and you just kind of put your thumb right in the center and rotate to get this part out. And then we're gonna quickly peel the apple and place it in this bowl where we're gonna put a bit of lemon juice so they won't oxidize. We're gonna cut it in half, and even in here, just place your thumb in the center and rotate to get the seeds out. And the same over here. Here is the lemon. We're just gonna put a quick little squirt of lemon in here to keep them nice and white. We're gonna slice them into thin slices, and once in a while just toss it to get some lemon on everything. And we'll do this until they're all sliced. As for the apple peels, you can either put them in the compost, give them to the chickens, or put them in a dehydrator and dry them out so you can use them in a tea. Let's get some flour. Take one of these dough balls. You can totally use the rolling pin, but I like to do it by hand. Then just kind of stretch it like this at the top and allow gravity to pull down and stretch it further. And then we can toss it back and forth. A little bit more. And here we go. On here, we're going to get some butter and just kind of put little pieces of butter all around. And now that we have entered into fall, to have something that resembles maybe an apple pie is going to be so much fun and delicious. Here we have some brown sugar and a little bit of cinnamon. We're going to toss this up. Since the butter was unsalted, I'm going to put a sprinkle of salt right in here. We'll put a nice little sprinkle of it in here, and then spread some of it in the bottom. And now our apples. We're just gonna casually put them on there. We could do it in a pretty pattern, but we're just gonna do it this way. A nice rustic dessert pizza. Now a bit more sugar and cinnamon on top. Oh yes, the aroma coming from here is already delicious. Here we have some walnuts, and what we're going to do is crush them just a bit and put these on top as well. Doesn't this look like fall already? There, this dessert pizza is ready to go out into the oven. Let's place our pizza in and allow the oven to do its magic. Notice how the edge is nicely bubbling up here. So soon we're going to place this turning peel underneath the pizza and rotate. Just like so. So it will evenly cook on all sides. I'm gonna peek underneath and it's looking mighty good. Just a little bit longer and this pizza will come out. And here we go. The aroma coming from here is amazing. The cooked apples, the butter, and the cinnamon. Oh yes. For the final touch, we're gonna get a nice drizzle of honey right on top. And this is going to complete our beautiful fall dessert pizza. All that is left to do now is to wish you un buon appetito and dig in. Mmm.